Good morning, guys. So today is 21st of February and we are here to see the sunrise. I hope you all guys are absolutely fine. I just wanted to show you something. You see that? नज़ारा बहुत सही है. The weekend rider.
Turn off all the lights and wake me up to get lost in each other's paradise. Just follow my movement, the way that we do this. Walk, coloring lines up my soul. Giving me somewhere to go with you. I miss the lights and we break the rules just to watch this come to life. In the middle of the night, I feel my head is spinning.
So after yesterday night, we shared some data, exchanged photos and all. We slept at around like 11 p.m. and we decided to see the sunrise. We asked like Siri, what is the sunrise time? It said 6:38. So it's almost 8:15 in the morning and we are still here doing the photo shoots and doing the time lapse as well. This is the hostel where we are staying. This is Greenwoods Youth Hostel. We have taken a beautiful time lapse of that mobile antenna and that was amazing. See that side, it's like small meadow, kind of like grass bed where you can just stand and see the view. It's 100% bang for the buck. It's not expensive. You stay there, come here and see the view. What else you want? See that side, we all are taking time-lapse video. Meet Aditya. So I was talking about him yesterday. I
Hi.
tried his KTM Duke 390.
Hi guys.
And he's from Hyderabad. And Rajesh is busy taking his photos. And he told me to take photos. I didn't take photos. I think he's angry on me. Maybe.
Nothing like that, just busy. Don't want to miss out the moment.
Exactly. Just focus there.
There's nothing in this world that I've ever needed more from you. I've been colder than this before. You've been on my mind.
Experience karo. So that's all pretty much, guys. And the checkout time is 10 a.m. and he told that we can keep our luggages in the reception and leave and see some places in Kodai. What all places we are going to cover?
We are going to Dolphin Nose and
Dolphin Nose.
Moir Point
Okay.
and Pillar Rock. Yeah. He explained.
Yeah.
We have a trek, then Dolphin Nose. No, after Dolphin Nose, it's Pillar Rock, Guna Caves, Upper Lake View.
Yeah.
And what else? Anything else?
मतलब बहुत जगह है घूमने के लिए.
बहुत सारे.
I don't know
Pine
if we
Forest.
can cover this in 3 hours.
We
Is
can.
it possible?
It's 21 kilometers around.
Okay.
From this place, within 21 kilometers, everything is
Cool.
around.
So we'll keep our bags here. We'll take all the necessary gadgets which help us to take photos and videos, and we'll just take it, see the places. We'll come back and leave for Wagaman. Aditya was saying that Wagaman is not that beautiful now at this point of time since it's a Feb and it's almost like summer's approaching, but let's see what is there. I have never seen Wagaman, so it was in my bucket list, so we'll see that. And so far so good. We will see how the places are in Kodai and we'll let you know. Cool then, see you.
Far out in my mind, you got me
We parked our bikes there somewhere and we have to go down to see Dolphin Nose. There was a hostel. We have to go down almost like 1.5 kilometers of trek we have to do, and then we can see Dolphin's Nose. It's very sunny today. We will order breakfast now. We have decided to see 3-4 places quickly and to save a bit time and leave for Wagaman. That's the plan now so far. He's making bread omelette. Looks yummy. Here is a bread omelette. Ready. Rajesh, bread omelette.
थैंक यू, देखें बढ़िया लग रहा है एकदम.
Aditya, bread omelette.
शानदार जबरदस्त जिंदाबाद.
शानदार जबरदस्त और जिंदाबाद. शानदार है ब्रेड ऑमलेट, जबरदस्त है क्लाइमेट.
जिंदाबाद फॉर द लाइफ.
जिंदाबाद फॉर द लाइफ.
टू कॉपी टू ट्राई.
Maggie and Kodai. Okay, so we had only two options, bread omelette and Maggie, and we ordered both of them. And that is a view. Maggie and the view. What say, guys? So अभी नीचे है ट्रैक, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 1.5 किलोमीटर्स का ट्रैक है. वो करेंगे, फिनिश करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद कहाँ जाना है अपने को?
पिलर रॉक.
उसके बाद पिलर रॉक जाना है. इतना क्रेजी है ना गाइस ये ट्रैकिंग. सिर्फ लकड़ी, सिर्फ रूट्स है यहाँ पे. आई एम लिटरली कीपिंग माई बूट्स ऑन दिस रूट्स. वरुण, राजेश एंड आदित्य also coming. So there it is, mountain view. 10 minutes for Dolphin Nose. Talk shop guy said. So this is mountain view point, guys. See this. Wow. If you take slight right to this, there is this dolphin viewpoint. It's summer, so it's not that green, but just think about it if it was a monsoon. You all are
It feels
here.
amazing.
Again, we have started trekking. Almost हम like 700 meters आ गए हैं और 700 मीटर चलेंगे. Done. The trekking is getting better and better, and we have to take the same route back as well. We are going to be exhausted pretty soon.
डॉल्फिन नोज.
This is the Dolphin Nose viewpoint.
तो वो जो पॉइंट है,
Oh,
that is called as dolphin nose. जैसे डॉल्फिन जो नोज जैसा बाहर निकला हो ना, that is why it is called as dolphin nose. And
nice.
चलते हैं वहाँ पे.
सही जगह है यार.
आप लोग जाओ, मैं यहाँ पर जाता हूँ पहले. मैं कैमरा निकाल के रेडी करता हूँ, आप लोग को फोटो खींचना वहाँ से. ठीक है?
सही जगह.
You guys go there.
This place is nice. This is Dolphin's viewpoint. And now this is Eco Rock. That's what it says. Way to Eco Rock. See this. Wow.
हम जा रहे हैं एक और ऑफ पे. Let's see क्या है.
Whew. I think I have to jump now. The thing which I'm going to show you now is just next level. Ready to climb the rock?
Thanks.
See that? Getting down is a task. Going back is not a task. It's a test.
It's a struggle.
It's a struggle. We are heading back to the place where we parked our bikes. हालत नहीं है बात करने की, and I'm really exhausted. Just thought of recording this because I wanted to show you the kind of trail it is. It's all roots. I will reach up there and start the ride for Pillar Rocks. Yeah. See you when I am done with my trekking back to the parking. Guys, so we have covered Dolphins viewpoint and Mountains viewpoint. Road is no less than an adventure for sure. We will go to Pillar Rock. We have reached Pillar Rock, so we made it to the Pillar Rock. हाय गाइस, हेलो। एक सैड न्यूज़ है थोड़ी सी। हम आए थे पिलर्स रॉक व्यू पॉइंट पे और इतना फॉग है कि कुछ भी दिख नहीं रहा है।
एंड मोर ओवर बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउडेड है।
Exactly.
देख लो चारों तरफ, देखो कितना क्राउडेड है। सब लोग देख रहे हैं।
आना वैसे भी पसंद नहीं हम लोग को।
और आपको फॉग दिख रहा होगा ऑलरेडी कितना डेंस है। आई डोंट थिंक सो ये जल्दी खाली होने वाला है। और आप एक्चुअली यहाँ पे कहीं है, बिकॉज थोड़ा सा हमें ग्लिम्स मिला था बीच में, सोचा कि खाली होगा तो दिखाएंगे, बट अभी कुछ ऐसा दिख नहीं रहा है। अब यहाँ से निकलते हैं हम लोग, चलते हैं वैगमॉन या है ना।
हाय गाइस, तो हम लोग पहुँच चुके हैं अपर लेक व्यू पॉइंट और फॉग आ रहा है बहुत ही तेज़ी से एंड इट्स गोइंग टू कवर एवरीथिंग। सो यू कैन सी द व्यू पॉइंट, दैट इज़ द व्यू पॉइंट। आई विल शो यू, आई विल चेंज द कैमरा एंगल, आई विल शो यू द होल थिंग। Completing this was the last pit stop in Kodai. We are done. We will wrap up the ride for Kodai and we will leave for Vagamon now. अच्छा, लंच कर लिया उसने? ठीक है, तो अब राइड शुरू करते हैं गाइस। कोडाई कनाल हैज़ बीन मार्क्ड डन कर रहा है। यहाँ से निकलेंगे, दूसरी रूट लेंगे and we will meet Haris as well. So that is another surprise element for you guys and for us as well. So he will fuel up. Okay, cool. Whoa, the side stand is working, it's magic. सेल्फी ले ले वरुण। So guys, we have done our lunch just now. We had Kerala paratha with chicken curry and chicken fried rice. It was all okay, average only. Vagamon we are heading to, and it's almost like 107 kilometers. It has been a full day of riding, but good one. Let's go. And Haris has joined us for the ride. Whoa, I just want to get out of this city.
Hi guys, so it's almost 8:49 and हम पहुंच चुके हैं वागमन. बहुत tiring ride था. Hello guys, see, riding bike for the whole day. We have come to the hotel. It's a decent one. We finally got a room on the first floor. Yeah, looks decent. The room is fine. So a quick tour of the room. This is a room that we booked. It's just an overnight stay, so yeah, that totally is perfect. We have kept our things here, the beds, that is the washroom, and that's me with my scattered hair because of helmet. So that's all about the room. In the morning you will see how good this place looks. You can't see anything now. So yeah.